anesthetic assistant.
Josephat Moracha, media.
Moses Waroe, media.
At least we got some cuts. Thank you.
And this is early Christmas for these people who cannot even afford to feed. Like this kid from Baringo, if you see her, you'll see the challenges that they are going through. And this is amazing work that Nairobi Hospital is doing. And us as a Save a Life, what we do, we go in such interior places, identify such cases, and we work with such leading institutions who are doing that. And just this is the time to share. This is Christmas, this is the time to share. So I urge each and everyone who is following this broadcast, during Christmas, share with people that you know, people that are near you, people who are suffering, and just make them smile.
What is so significant here, a mama like this one, who came in with maybe the clothes they were wearing, nothing else, where you find that when she arrived here, the nurses in the hospital decided to say, look, let's contribute and buy even nappies for the child. I think we need to appeal to people and know that, look, there are people who are suffering. We are talking about Christmas. It's not that we do this on Christmas Day. We have about 70 patients, for example, who are waiting on the outside there. And remember, for these clefts, for every 500 children who are born alive, one of those has a cleft lip and a palate.